There's no escape.
Beneath the city's heartbeat lies forgotten echoes. This place remembers, but only what it wants to. Messages remain for those who still listen. Sometimes a reflection shows more than light. It shows memory. You don't just enter a place like this. You're invited. The deeper you go, the more it resists being known. They tried to name what haunted them. You're never the first to walk here, just the latest. What was meant to be left behind always finds a way to call again. This isn't just repetition, it's rehearsal. The choice is never real, but you still have to make it.
What left this didn't leave alone.
Even silence has memory.
Turn it. Please make update case we're still there.
It begins with a choice. The rest follows.
There's no escape.